The Bossard Group is a seventh-generation global group of companies headquartered in Zug, Switzerland, with operations in Europe, America, and Asia Pacific. Bossard has close to 1,500 employees worldwide engaged in the procurement and sales of every type of fastening element.
Bossard opening this facility here in 2005. We have 7 other locations throughout the US, and we produce about 8,000 order lines a day. The requirements for us servicing the OEM industry is very accurate, very detailed, and on time. Many of our customers requires a label with all the information on lot, traceability, down to the accuracy that they can scan it when they receive it in their operation. The printers we brought over from the European location were very good function in the beginning, but then over time things start to work less and needs maintenance or repair like everything else.
The problem with the old printers we had is that for example, if they would go out there and pick product, a lot of times, if the printer fails and they don't get the label, what happens is that they have to go back to the stationary printer, request the label again, but at that time somebody else might have printed some labels, and that person might take somebody else's label and mislabel the product. That was one of the big challenges. Sometimes that's been caught way back at the shipping door, where it requires pull it back, redo it again, and there's a lot of downtime right there.
Bossard chose the MP Compact4 mobile printer because of its rugged construction, wireless capability, large media capacity, and most importantly, its long-term reliability. The printers are mounted on forklifts and connected to the Bossard wireless network. When workers pick orders, they scan a barcode which gives the locations of the product in the warehouse. Then they pick the product and request a certain number of labels. The scanner sends the data to a print server in Switzerland, which creates the label and sends it over the network to the printer. The labels are then applied to the product and sent to shipping.
As soon as we got the first one, we tried it, we loved it, and one of the biggest reasons is that these printers are rugged. They support high volume of labels. They can print anywhere between 1,000 or 2,000 labels per shift. Since we had the new printers, the productivity went up because we no longer have to spend so much time out here in the warehouse troubleshooting the printers. Overall, our experience with Datamax was awesome. Everybody from sales and tech support, they were great to work with from start to finish. They helped us with the project. They were quick to respond to any issues and problems we had. Ever since we installed these new ones, we practically just forgot about them. I mean, they're out there, they're working.
Datamax O'Neill is part of Dover's product identification group with offices and support resources around the world. In addition to designing printers, Datamax O'Neill manufactures a complete line of high-quality media and printer supplies. For more information, visit us at www.datamax-o'neill.com.